Application writing, format and structure. Number 1. Heading. Write a clear subject line or title depending on the type of application. Example, application for sick leave. Number 2. Address of the recipient. Begin with 2. The designation, school organization name, city name. Number 3. Date. Write the date on the left side below the address. Date, 4th August 2025. Number 4. Subject. Short and specific. Begin with subject. Example, subject, request for 1-day sick leave. Number 5. Salutation. Start respectfully. Respected sir, madam. Number 6. Body of the application. Divide into 3 parts. A. Introduction. State who you are and why you are writing. Example, I am Ali Khan, a student of class 8. I am writing to request. B. Main content. Explain the reason with proper detail. Be clear and concise. Avoid unnecessary explanations. C. Request. Politely request action. Example, kindly grant me leave for 1 day. Number 7. Closing. Thank the reader. Thank you. Respectful closing. Yours obediently. Your full name. Your class designation. Key rules for application writing. Rule description. Be formal. Use polite, formal language. Avoid slang. Be clear. State the purpose directly and clearly. Be concise. Keep it brief, usually within 100 to 150 words. No grammar errors. Use correct punctuation, tense, and sentence structure. Respectful tone. Use phrases like kindly, I request, I shall be grateful, etc. Example, application for sick leave. 2. The principal, City Grammar School, Lahore. Date, 4th August 2025. Subject, application for 1-day sick leave. Respected sir, madam, I am Ali Khan, a student of class 8. I am suffering from fever and unable to attend school today. Kindly grant me 1 day's leave to take rest. Thank you. Yours obediently, Ali Khan, class 8.